Hello there, empty nesters.
Hello.
Roger Joe here with Renew Me Travel. Date night tonight, actually our 33rd anniversary.
33 years.
33 years. Had a little sushi and drinks, and now came here to the Philbrook Museum here in Tulsa. I'm going to show you some videos of some of the paintings that kind of spoke to us, or spoke to me at least,
Right.
before. But
It was beautiful here. We haven't been here in years. It's gorgeous. Highly recommend for a date night.
highly recommend if you're in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So fairly inexpensive. You can always give a donation too. So. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey, don't forget, go down below, follow, like, make a comment, share with your friends. We'll see you soon. So everybody doesn't get a headache like you. Makes you spin, doesn't it? You spin me.